Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How is it going bros? My name is Anwar Sarul Gunawan. I am student in University Islam Bandung and I take Financial Islam Law course. Today, I am going to present my chosen journal article by Rihab Grasa entitled Sharia Supervisory System in Islamic Financial Institution. Before I begin, I would like to praise Allah the Mighty One. Because of His grace, I can deliver this presentation. And for all of you guys, I hope you are all stay healthy and kept away from all disease, especially the recent one which is COVID-19. So stay at home as much as possible as you can. Don't forget to wear a mask if you want to go out. And also, don't forget to hit the like button and smash the subscribe button to support my channel. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Islamic financial background. Islamic finance is a particular type of finance that can produce different challenges in corporate governance. Islamic finance is based on Islamic principles. Also, the Islamic finance institution activity if we have to be in accordance with Sharia principles. Sharia is unique characteristic of Islamic finance. The need for an efficient Sharia supervision system for EP is considered an important requirement to ensure the development and stability of the Islamic finance industry. Okay, next, two are that are under Islamic financial supervision are Southeast Asia region and GCC region. This is one of the two regions in that as financial Islamic concept. Next, methodology. This research as a qualitative method by reviewing various religions that are basically based on the needs and experience of each country. The results have shown that various Sharia supervision practitioned in EV in these two regions have revealed many gaps. The gap create new problem and major challenge to promote an effective Sharia supervision system at EV. Most of these problems are related to bureaus and higher Islamic authorities tax that operate at the national level and the attribute of scholars in the institution. On the other hand, the results have shown that even if the Southeast Asia Sharia supervision model seems to be the most efficient and effective in achieving Sharia compliance goals than the GCC model, it cannot be considered a perfect model. Much work is needed to improve it. Thank you everyone for your attention. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistake during my presentation. Once again, thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.